Wallace cut it off, comes it to the wing. Bontempelli was half held, runs it on. O'Shea, tough task here, shutting down the Bont, has the shot at goal. He's a star. He's a superstar.
He sure is. He's on fire at the moment, Bont, and just played that really cleverly then. You have a look here, he probably could have got a free kick just there for a little bit of holding on, just taps it on, has a look around to see where the space is, and that the step he took to the left to our right of screener, that gains you a metre straight away. So the fact he did it at the perfect time, just have a look at this, just shortly, one step that way gives him a metre to be able to kick the goal.
On a punctuate, Stevens arrives, Bentley left, Bontempelli, brilliantly done. Yes, Paul sits inside the ball at 50 Duncan.
Sit back and enjoy this. Self the dummy, get Motlop in the air, off the ground, and then hits up Dunkley.
They're out on this side, the Blues. Kick needs to be good and it was not to Dewey. Here comes Johannesson. Slid the little handball in. Bontempelli for his third. It was indeed pure class.
Down the middle, coming through his stringer. Tries to give it across to a teammate, Liberatore. Likes it tough, Bontempelli likes it left. He steps, puts through another one. In the set, the lead meter. Starting to peak. Live eventually. The player gets a bit of chance. Bontempelli was good enough under pressure. Screwed across the right shoulder.
Liberatore, who gets the first kick, down towards the half-forward line. McRae takes the mark, Bontempelli takes the mark, plays on, I've got it inside 50, here is Bontempelli now, shoots towards goal and puts through the opening goal in 18 seconds.
McRae could have come real wide, elects to go a little more deliberate than Bontempelli, and Bontempelli has marked 35 to 40 metres out. Shooting the left boot, nice looking ball. Bontempelli
turned around, Liberatore's been a part of that. Wallace hit it hard, flipped it back, brilliant pick up from Bontempelli, and the finish goes with it. A goal befitting the ancient.
got the open player here in Hunter. He's a left footer, he's a good kick, didn't go for home. Bontempelli for their first lead of the game. And that's a goal, no problems at all. Bontempelli and the Dogs hit the front.
He thought he was made for Friday night footy, but those stats suggest not so. But maybe tonight is the night the Cooney gets out of things. And roughly to Bontempelli takes a wonderful mark against Hodge of all comers. I saw the mark done, but how was that? Then I saw the bloke he beat.
Yeah, that's exactly right. What he does is he steps forward, puts Hodge out of the contest there, clever, and then goes back and takes the mark, protecting the space beautifully.
That is a mark of the highest order, though.
That is superb body work, Doug, you're right. Exactly what he wanted to do.
Dare I say, it was Carey-like, but you don't have to blush because it was. And Bontempelli from 30 metres out gets the goal. Stringer